Just maybe get the siren going or something. G, you ride down that way, just get the siren going. So I let them know.
So who's on the way?
Everybody. The entire OEM crew. We put a message out last night.
But there was kind of iffy.
It was questionable, but there was a lot of uncertainty. Got flooding going on. The river is flooding.
Were you unaware of how much rain was going to fall? That was part of the problem, or?
Last night we had an inkling. I guess our indicator said that 8 o'clock tonight that there was a possible flooding of the river, but apparently it.
Good thing you ratchet up to 1 o'clock now.
We did.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So we got to evacuate immediately. Yeah. This is.
And who's on the way down here? We
got all of our OME staff. So that'll be Health and Human Services people, inspection personnel, fire, police operations. Our drivers, the mayor's drivers here now are working on
alerting people about the issue.
Yep, with visibility and the sirens in our.
No, I've been here for about 45 minutes. I mean, you would be amazed at how fast the river has come up.
I am.
At least 5 minutes, 5 inches per every 5 minutes.
Since you've been here.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I mean, this is going to be a fast-moving thing. In fact, I'm probably have to go move my car because I see the water starting to come down Westminster here. I would certainly recommend.
It's coming down here fast.
Yeah.
You can see it's filling up right here at the corner. Hi. We got to get out.
Oh, God.
Yes, ma'am. The river is overflowing right now. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. How you doing? Yeah, I'm doing well. Yep, we got to evacuate. It's overflowing at a rapid pace.
Not good, not good.
No, it's not. No, it's not. How you doing?
Good, man. Thanks for last time. You did a great job last time.
Thank you very much.
Getting everybody out.
Thank you very much. So
what time do you think it's...
We're estimating 1 o'clock, but I'd say almost immediately. You know, the way this water is moving right now, and it's already up in this area, it could be any second now.
My friends will live here, that's why.
You do? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm afraid we got to evacuate everybody.
Start of school today.
Yeah, I know. Oh, man.
It's good to see you, man.
Nice to see you as well. Thanks. You guys, all right?
Can't you just get enough from that side? You better. Incredible scenes here on the island where the Delaware, a flash flood of the Delaware River is flooding a section of the city called the Island. Every corner, every cross street is flooded out right now, and the police are driving through the neighborhood telling people to get up and get out. And a lot of people, these people have been caught unawares, definitely sleeping as the river breached its banks just about 7 o'clock this morning.
And I think we should leave one of our city units here with them as well. That way you know the area here.
That's fine. Mark, can you assign strike one crew to go down? Yeah, tell them to take their boat down Clearfield or meet up with them, yeah. All right?
We have any supervisor?
One boat? One boat and a crew from Strike Team Hamilton, send them down to relieve those guys.
4 men?
4 men.
Down, take them down what?
Whatever the best way in, to walk in and float in would be the best route.
Division go.
Guys, it'll be like 30 seconds, he's busy.
Come on, guys.
Minutes away.
I'll give you the high side. I'll give you the high side.
So, this is Trenton Island. Can you give me a couple minutes? What's the situation?
Well, the situation is we have an evacuation of the island that was ordered by the police department. We requested as our Marine Task Force and our Water Rescue Task Force to assist in removing occupants that were on the island. Currently we have a strike team of water rescue technicians and water rescue boats in from Hamilton Township working with us to remove people from the island. We're currently in a staging area right now to make sure that anybody left behind was removed, and also going forward in the next 12 hours, which is going to be critical with the water that's remaining in the river that's rising at this time.
So that's going to, you guys are going to keep here for a
We're going to keep
while.
here and make sure that everything's monitored until we find out that the river is receding and see what operations we're going to need from there.
Great, thank you very much. What's your name, sir?
Tharp, Battalion Chief Robert Tharp.
Great, thank you very much.
Tem na Constaque.